For all of my editors out there, specifically for Premiere Pro, today I'm gonna teach you something that I do that helps me start projects faster. The first thing you're gonna wanna do is open up Premiere. For video purposes and to make it easier for you guys, I'm going to save everything on my desktop. Go ahead and create a new project for Premiere. Again, save it wherever you want. I'm just gonna put it on the desktop. The important thing when saving this file and renaming it, make it a name that's easy to follow. I like to do Premiere default. You can choose whatever you want, but default is just easier for me to remember. No matter what kind of video it is, I use the same labels for my bins. I like to name my bins assets, videos, sequences, sound effects, and audio. I will show you why it's so important to keep the same label structure as we get closer to finishing this video. The next thing you are going to do is start making new sequences. As you can see here, I have a couple of sequences that I normally work with. You're gonna wanna do the same. Find out what export settings you normally work in, what kind of timeline you normally work in, and go ahead and make those sequences. It's gonna make everything so much easier. Okay, we have our sequences laid out, we have our labels named, and our project started. Now the last thing you are going to want to do is save this as a new project. Go to File, Save As, and then save this file wherever you're gonna start working at. For instance, let's say we have a new wedding video we are going to start. Let's go ahead and make a new folder on the desktop called Wedding. And in that folder, let's make another folder called Project. And this is where we are gonna save our file project. And just like that, you're done. We got our project started, we have our bins labeled, our sequences already created, we are ready to start this project. And this is gonna save you so much time. I do this day in and day out on every project that I start, and I just want to show you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video.